Sanjay ji is a volunteer of Gayatri Parivar and runs a spiritual ministry in Vedic tradition with his wife Sangeeta Saxena. Additionally, Sanjay ji is a life coach and a motivational speaker who also volunteers at Hindu Student Council chapters. An alumni of IIT Roorkee, he works for a multinational life science company. Sanjay ji will share how Hindu philosophy is a gift to the world. Over to you, Sanjay ji.
Namaste. Perhaps never before has there been a greater need for the mankind to reflect on the Hindu heritage that offers the agile and adaptive framework of all-inclusive human excellence. The term Sanskriti alone can express this exceptionally profound gift for humanity from the Hindu heritage. This fusion of Sam with Kriti becomes Sanskriti, as Sam signifies an all-pervading expansiveness with a sense of equilibrium. So Sanskriti is the Kriti or creation that is embracing Sam or universality. Therefore, Sanskriti by nature is totally uplifting for all people in all places at all times. Hindu Sanskriti upholds this promise to infuse, inspire and enhance inclusive human excellence. Therefore, the Hindu heritage nurtures the qualities that bind and bring together the world by infusing cordiality, friendship and affection for the world as a family. That's why Hindu Sanskriti continues to flourish through the millennia as a natural choice of the mankind in search of human excellence, where even moksha is not out of bound. Yajurved mantra Sa Prathama Sanskritir Vishwavara defines Sanskriti as the pioneering and all-embracing model which inspires all people for generous giving. This first or Prathama Sanskriti nurtures all with an uninterrupted passion for sharing their auspicious abundance to the whole world. Such a versatile Sanskriti, having global footprints, is rooted in the Indian subcontinent, the Bharatvarsh, so it's popularly known as the Hindu heritage also, which is synonymous with the Vedic Sanskriti, Rishi Sanskriti, Bharatiya Sanskriti and Dev Sanskriti. Hindu heritage transforms an individual into the free-spirited knowledge seeker. Hindu Sanskriti endows its seekers with the unlimited freedom of inquiry in a truly empowering republic of free thought. Vedic Sanskriti enables a versatile, open source, open architecture platform of total life cycle management for achieving human excellence, enriched on the robust foundations of Varnashram Dharma. Dev Sanskriti is the kernel of a vast set of life transforming processes and technologies that offer rich toolkit, including but not limited to the yoga, yajna, pranayam, dhyan, sadhana, kirtan, mandir, murti, mantra, tantra, tirth, shruti, smriti, itihas, puran, darshan, ayurved, jyotish, vastu, sangeet, sanskrit, parivar, sanskar, Sanskriti, art, architecture, and you can name more. This also includes a diversity of festivals and pluralistic traditions that honor divine in the nature. Hindu Sanskriti is the living embodiment of experiences like Vasudha Kutumbakam. Never forget that the Sanskriti is a lived experience, so Sanskriti is not available for borrowing and Sanskriti cannot be imported either. Therefore, as the inheritors of this priceless Sanskriti, we must totally commit ourselves to protect, preserve and share generously our Hindu heritage for a better world, so that this Vishwabara Sanskriti can unleash the conditions of Sarve Bhavantu Sukhina for the humanity here and now. ओम शांति। हिंदी में एक वाक्य। इस देव संस्कृति दिग्विजय अभियान की शुरुआत जो हो रही है उसमें आपकी आहुतियां बढ़ चढ़ कर शामिल हों, इसी प्रार्थना के साथ नमस्कार।